Okay, so an important concept to understand is, well, I mean, really, it's good to not be intimidated by Python. There's it's such a big and vast thing, really, universe that you can get lost in. And the easiest way to think about it in Python, really, what we need to be able to use Python as is our mouse. We don't really need to be as data scientists. It would be helpful if you know how to build an application, but really, truthfully, we don't need to go that in depth into Python. We need to use Python like a mouse, a different way to interact with our computer. And that's really what it is. We're going to open applications, we're going to import libraries, but just like we would open Excel, if we want to use it, we want to use the sum function in Excel. We would use our mouse, we go to Excel, we open it, double click, and we'd be able to use the stuff inside it. In Python, what we'll do is we'll import a library, kind of opening the application, and then we'll be able to work with the different functions that are available. I think the cool thing about Python is that takes it a step further is you're able to open an application, but maybe get the sum function from this one function and this other cool function from this other application and combine them and do different things. So it is a little bit more than just a mouse, and this is kind of by using coding, by talking with the computer, by communicating, interacting with it in a much more natural way for the computer, you're able to unlock a lot of power talking to it on its terms. And we'll explore that much more in the next class.